Hey there, just watched the movie Abigail from 2024. It was 1 hour and 49 minutes and it was rated R. This is a vampire ballerina movie. It's a horror suspense. I thought it was actually pretty good. I enjoyed it. I was a little bit let down with how they ended it. It just felt like the movie was so high action and intensity throughout, and then I don't know, it just kind of felt like the end just kind of fell short, or was just like I don't know, it felt like it didn't have the same vibe as the rest of the movie. But I did enjoy the movie. What did you think, Lisa?
Yeah, I enjoyed it more than I thought I was.
Yeah, I thought they did a really good job with it. It was entertaining. It was a really nice new take on vampires. Yeah, I would recommend this. If you like horror films, if you like vampire type movies, even suspense films, I think that you might enjoy this. It is extremely, extremely gory, so
yeah.
If blood and guts...
They did a great job with that.
Yeah,
though,
if blood and guts is something that you just can't watch, then this is one to skip, because it has blood and guts in most of the scenes.
Yeah, there's a lot.
It's a really gory horror film, but yeah, I'd say it's worth watching if you are into horror or suspense and don't mind blood and guts. So I'll see if I can find a link to it. If I can, I'll link it below. If you've seen Abigail, what did you think of it? As far as on a 5-star rating, I think I could easily give this a 4 out of 5 stars for a vampire
for that type of movie. Yeah, 4.
Yeah. I thought they did a really good job. I liked the performers that they had in the roles. I felt like they all fit their role quite nicely.
Oh, and the teeth, they did a great job too. Like, yeah, I like the new take on the teeth, because that was some creepy shit.
They did a really good job with the vampire teeth in this one. Really, really good job. So thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't seen this, is it one that you are going to see, or is this one you'd skip? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video.